OLED display. That's an upgrade from the Nova 4, which had an LCD display. Another difference in the screen is that the cutout that was in the corner is now a water drop notch in the middle. Because Huawei upgraded the screens from LCD to OLED, they had to change the design. So now you get a water drop notch. It's the same on the Nova 5 and the Nova 5 Pro.
Unveil event in China. Huawei has taken off the covers from the Huawei Nova 5 series. The Nova 5 is a flagship phone that comes with 7nm Kirin 980 chipset. The Nova 5i is a mid-range phone and a rebranded version of the P20 Lite smartphone that was unveiled in Europe recently. The Huawei Nova 5 comes with a 6.39-inch OLED display with water drop notch. It carries support for Full HD Plus resolution. The Nova 5 Pro also features the same display. The Nova 5 and 5 Pro both blessed with optical and screen fingerprint scanners. The other features related to the display of both smartphones include TÜV certification, support for DCI-P3, and DC dimming.